Hey everyone, it's Garrick, founder of Eco-Stylist. I've got another video for you today. This time we're talking about the Apex Evolution swim trunks by Outerknown. These are their highest performance swim trunks, which are designed and developed by 11-time world champion surfer Kelly Slater. Kelly Slater is also the founder of Outerknown. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and product review of these swim trunks, as well as talking a little bit about what makes them a great sustainable option. And I'm gonna do all of this in under 5 minutes, so let's get into it. Before I start the unboxing, a quick note about this product. Outerknown did gift me these swim trunks, but all opinions are my own. Outerknown is also an Eco-Stylist Certified brand, making them one of the most sustainable fashion brands in the world. I'll have their brand rating linked in the bio so you can read more about what makes them a great brand and how we certified them. Because they're a brand that we certify and truly believe in, we do have an affiliate relationship with Outerknown, which means if you do end up shopping the link in our bio for these swim trunks, we will earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support all of the work that we do. Let's get to the unboxing. So here's the package that Outerknown sent me, and I know you might be wondering, what is this package? So this is not plastic, first of all. Some cool things about this packaging is it's completely biodegradable and recyclable, and it's made from 40 to 90% post-consumer recycled content. I also like this note here which says, this is not trash, keep a good thing going, reuse or recycle this envelope. What's inside? All right, so inside we've got the swim trunks, which are in another layer of packaging. Usually this layer of packaging is plastic, but here you can see that it's not. This is completely made of paper, it's 100% recyclable, and it's FSC certified. All right, so let's open it up. So here you've got the Apex Evolution swim trunks by Outerknown. So my first impression of these swim trunks is the material is really interesting. I have to admit I've never touched a fabric, swim trunks or otherwise, that felt quite like this. It almost feels kind of papery in a way, but you can tell that the material is like super durable and has some stretch. Also, the waistband feels kind of like one of these exercise bands that you would use at the gym, but of like the heavier weight that doesn't stretch as much. Anyway, that's my first impression. I'm super curious to put these on and see how comfortable they are and see how this material feels as I'm wearing it. Final note before I try them on, let's talk about the sustainability of these trunks. These are made from 100% recycled material. The material is called Net Plus. It's by a company called Burio that also works with companies like Patagonia. And the really cool thing about this material is it's 100% made from recycled fishing nets. Now, I'm sure you've seen in the news examples of brands doing it wrong, like brands that made things out of recycled plastic, and it turned out the plastic that was being recycled wasn't actually post-consumer, it wasn't actually waste, things like this, right? Well, the really cool thing about Net Plus is it's 100% traceable. This means that we know the material is actually waste, actually comes from oceans, and actually is helping solve that problem. Let me try these on so I can tell you how they feel. And here they are. I have to say I have a lot of first impressions about these trunks. They're the most comfortable swim trunks I've ever worn. They're super light, almost feels like I'm not wearing trunks. Typically the swim trunks I've had in the past have been pretty stiff, a little bit limiting in mobility, whereas these, it's like, I feel like I could probably do a yoga class. I'm not really gonna be doing yoga in the ocean, but let me give you a full look at the trunks. They don't have any side pockets, which I think helps keep for a sleek, non-bulky design, helps keep them super comfortable. But they do have one back pocket here, which is a zip pocket. So if you need to store like a key or something like that. I'll also give you a closer look at the waistline so you can see how that fits. Honestly, this waistline and this waistband are super interesting. I haven't seen one quite like this before. It first has like a Velcro strap when you put it on and then you tie it. I'm not used to this type of waistband, but it's super comfortable. And I can tell that I've never had to worry about these sagging down. They feel like they're gonna stay perfectly in place as it's a really snug, but also really comfortable fit. It's funny because when I first touched these, I almost felt a little skeptical, but now that I've got them on and I can feel how comfortable they are, I can really appreciate all of the thought and design that Kelly Slater put into these in designing such a world-class swim trunk. Now, worth noting, these swim trunks do have a higher price tag, as they should, being that it's the top-of-the-line swim trunk from a brand founded by a world champion surfer, and these were specifically and thoughtfully designed by him to be their highest performing, best performing swim trunks. As a guy and a minimalist, I really only need one pair of swim trunks, and I can see these being my go-to only pair of swim trunks for years and years to come. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create videos like these and helps to ensure that we can continue to create more content just like this. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing and product review of the Apex Evolution swim trunks by Outerknown. My final thoughts and recommendations in these swim trunks would be that yes, I 100% recommend these. As Kelly Slater himself said, I'm confident these are the best swim trunks ever made. And I would have to agree. I'm not a world champion surfer or even a surfer at all. I actually don't know how to surf. What I can say as a casual user of these swim trunks, and as somebody who just enjoys spending time at the beach, that I would still definitely recommend them because they're so damn comfortable. In the past, I'm so used to netting and rigid fits and swim trunks that would leave you with rashes. And this is such a step above that. If you're interested in shopping these swim trunks, I'll have the link in the description so you can check them out. Let us know in the comments, would you try these super high performance swim trunks? As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, dress like you give a damn.